Hey guys, Jimmy Trong here at the Woodstock Furniture Mattress Outlet, Acworth location. Last time you guys saw me, I was assembling a manual recliner. The video did so well that the #1 question was, how do I assemble a power recliner? We're gonna step it up next level and get you to assemble a power reclining instead of a manual. Tune in and I will get you going. All right, guys, remember, this is exactly how it's gonna come out of the box. The top piece is its own piece, remember, from the first video, and then we have the base in itself. All right, now I'm gonna show you the backings of a power recliner and the difference between the manual and the power. Of course, power is going to have some cords that you gotta plug in. Very, very simple. It's typically always color coded. You have the yellow and you have the gray. Plug into the two. And very similar to the other manual reclining video, you're gonna have these prongs that you're gonna look for. That's what's gonna connect the base to the top. And you wanna add it. There you go. There, heard that click. If you guys wanna come a little closer, yellow cord meets the yellow cord. You wanna plug that thing in. There's always a clip, steady. Then you have the gray. Clip that in, and you're all set. Of course, this is what's gonna plug it into the wall, and then all nice and neat. And you now have yourself another great recliner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now go ahead and take a seat and take a load off. Enjoy your new power recliner. Thank you guys. Take care.